far above rubies.
The heart of her husband that safely trust in her, so that he shall have no need of spoil.
She will do him good and not evil all the days for her life.
She seeketh full and fast and worketh willingly with her hands.
She is like a merchant ship, her bringeth her good from afar.
She riseth also early at night, and giveth meat to her household, and a portion to her maidens.
She considereth the field and buyeth it. With the fruit of her hands she planted a vineyard.
She girded her loins with strength, and strengtheneth her arms.
She perceiveth that her merchandise is good, her candle goeth not out by night.
She layeth her hands to the spindle, and her hands hold the distaff.
She stretcheth out her hands to the poor, yea, she reacheth forth her hands to the needy.
She is not afraid of the snow for her household, for all her household are clothed with scarlet.
She maketh herself coverings of tapestry, her clothing is silk and purple.
Her husband is known in the gates, when he sitteth among the elders of the land.
She maketh fine linen, and selleth it, and delivereth girdles unto the merchant.
Strength and honor are her clothing, and she shall rejoice in time to come.
She openeth her mouth with wisdom, and her tongue is the law of kindness.
She looketh well to the ways of her household, and eateth not the bread of idleness.
Her children arise up and call her blessed. Her husband also, he praiseth her.
Many daughters have done virtuously, but thou excellest them all.
Favor is deceitful, and beauty is vain. But the woman that feareth the Lord, she shall be praised.
Give her of the fruit of her hands, and let her own works praise her in the gates.